Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how do we write a program, Java basic program, and how do we compile it and how do we execute it using notepad and command prompts. So what I do, I will go to my this PC. Okay, inside this in D drive, so I have a folder called toxic folder here. Example, in this toxic folder there are already files, so I will delete these two. Okay, you see once again in toxic folder in D drive we have nothing here, there is nothing. So in this place what I will do, I will create new one text file basic. Okay, now in this text file what I will do, I will just write a program to print my name. Okay, basic structure of Java program you have to remember. So you have to write first class and you can give class name. Okay, I will give like this, my name is the class name that I am giving. Inside the class no class body we have main method. What is that? Public static void main. Okay, here we have inside this string array args. Okay, here we have like this. Inside this I will use the printing statement system dot out dot println. So I'm going to print hello here. Okay, is it clear now? Good, superb. Then main method is closed, then after that class is also closed. So this is what process, coding process. Now what I will do, file, save as. So I'm going to save this now. I have to save this with whatever the class name is there, same should be the file name. What is the class name? My name. So whatever the class name is there, same should be the file name also, and you have to save it as dot java. You have to save it as what, tell me? Dot java. And be make sure that here text document should be changed to all files. Here dot txt is there, no, that should be changed to what, tell me? All files. Change it to all files. Give whatever the class name you have given here to the file name, and dot java you have to write save. So now what happened? Now coding process is done. So if you come back to here, now what happened here? My name Java file is created. This whatever the text document was there, so that is gone. So we saved it as what, tell me? Type Java file. So you got this Java file. How you will be compiling and executing? So on the address bar here, click on the button and write cmd, right? Cmd, automatically it will open command prompt like this. So in order to compile the program, write java c space whatever the class name just now we have given. Okay, or you can just write class name is what, here it is, my name we have given. So my name dot java, you have to give complete name like this, my name dot java, enter. So after clicking on the enter button, compilation is done. The moment when compilation is done, you see class file is created here. So class file is created. Class file means what? The file which is created by a compiler and that contains only bytecode code. So now I want to execute it. How to execute? Write just java space, give the name, just my name. That's, you don't have to write dot java again for execution. See, for compilation java c space my name dot java, for execution java my name. Just click on enter. Automatically the output will be printed on the console. Is it clear now? So this is how you are going to write program in notepad and how you will compile it and how you will execute it. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you get any doubts, please rewatch the video, and if you have still little bit ununderstanding topics are there, means you can give that in the comment box. I will be making another video on this. Okay, bye guys.